Coupon and promo abuse happens when people exploit discount codes or promotional offers beyond their intended use. That might mean redeeming a one-time code multiple times, sharing coupon codes intended for specific groups, or automating redemptions at scale. In this video, I'll show you how to use Fingerprint to enforce per-device coupon limits. We'll look at a mock checkout page without any protection, then add Fingerprint to block repeated redemptions from the same browser or device. Here you can see we've got this fake checkout page, and I can add a coupon to my order. I got a welcome coupon that I can use one time, and I can hit apply. Now, refreshing this page, acting as if I'm having a different purchase, I can come back again and use that same welcome 20 discount, and the discount applies again. I refresh the page again to simulate a new purchase, trying to use that coupon code again, welcome 20, and you can see I'm continuing to get that same discount. The server only checks if the coupon is valid. And since this is a guest checkout, there's no record of who used it or how many times that same code has been used. It just keeps working. Now let's see this demo with Fingerprint implemented. So we're going to use welcome 20. Great. I got my discount. Opening or refresh a page, new purchase. Welcome 20 applied again. Not this time. The code has already been redeemed, and I personally have already used this code, not just in general, right? We want to be able to use this code on my first purchase. Here I'm in incognito mode, and still it knows that I have already used this one-time coupon already. Now the coupon code works per device, right? Clearing cookies or switching to a private window or even changing your IP address doesn't change the visitor ID that Fingerprint assigned to the browser. So that second attempt, it gets blocked. Okay, now we're going to look and see how this actually gets implemented. So first, we're bringing the Fingerprint JavaScript agent. And once we click that button, so the apply button here, we're going to ask Fingerprint to identify the visitor using the get function. It's going to return back to us an event ID that we can use later on to get the full identification event details. I'll make sure I include the event ID here with the coupon code. Same thing here on the server side, we're setting it to the backend. Make sure we grab the event ID and pass it to our validate coupon function. Now this validate coupon function lives here in this coupons.js file. And the first thing we're going to do here is bring in the Fingerprint server API client using the secret API key. That should never be revealed on the front end. Bring in the event ID as well here in our validate coupon function. And you can see here at the beginning, we already have our basic coupon validation to check to see if that coupon actually exists, make sure it's not expired, for example. And after that, we're going to add our fingerprint checks. So first, we're going to use the event ID to get the full identification event. That includes things like our bot detection, VPN detection, virtual machine detection, browser tampering, all that type of stuff. So what I'm going to do here first is actually check the bot detection. We return to you either good, bad, or not detected. And in this case, we want to say anything that's not detected, we want to block, right? So no bots should be able to use our coupon or check out for that matter. Next, the visitor ID we're going to pull out as well. This is a stable identifier for any browser or device that doesn't change even if cookies are cleared or IP address changes. And we're going to use that to keep track of which coupons this visitor has already used. So I've got this function for has redeemed. We can use that to check. And I also have a function here at the end to record the redemption along with the visitor ID. So the has redeemed code is just a SQL query to check to see if that visitor ID has already used that particular code. And same with the record redemption, we're just logging the visitor ID along with that coupon code for redemption. So we're going to reset the demo database here and try this again. So I'm going to go ahead and use my welcome 20, my one-time coupon, using that. Great, first time is good. Come back for a second purchase, trying to use the welcome 20 coupon code again. And this time we can see that it is not allowing me to redeem that coupon. Let me go ahead and try this with the incognito mode. Welcome 20 again. Nope, still can't redeem it. And I'm going to go a step further. I'm going to go ahead and try and change my IP address here. I'm going to connect with my VPN to a server in Japan. And let's try it again. Welcome 20. Try and apply the coupon code. And you can see here again, I'm still not allowed to redeem it, right? So most coupon checks only verify that the code exists. Fingerprint lets you add a device level check on top of that, so redemptions are tied to the actual browser or device making the request, not just the session, IP address, or cookie. In a real implementation, you might want to allow, one use per device within a certain time window, or combine device checks with account level limits for logged in users. But go ahead and check out the tutorial which walks you through this full implementation and try it out for yourself. Take care.